In this video, we're going to be talking about UFO gaming. We're going to be analyzing the price of UFO gaming to see what price is doing, as at the time of recording it is currently down 5.61%. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into UFO gaming, please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. So looking on at UFO gaming, it is currently down 5.61%. You can see on the chart that UFO gaming is very bearish. Even on the weekly as well, we did have the bullish intent come through. This was the whole Bitcoin effect, and then from then onwards, everything just came back down to where we were at square one at the start of the week, and it's not looking too good. You can see we weren't able to respect any of the demand zones, the strong demand zones, and we pretty much just made lower lows. But hopefully, due to, yep, you can see here on the monthly as well, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, everything you need for a bear market. But it just depends on how the overall UFO gaming community is, and how the developers of the UFO game is, if they can get Super Galactic Universe out in time to possibly even have some more, pretty much more bullish momentum coming through. But currently I don't see it happening. Yep. So if you look onto the daily as well, you can see we did tap into this demand zone, and we did have a reaction, but looks like prices keeps falling. It keeps following, and looks like we're slowly going back into the same demand zone that we were where we were on the 24th of Feb. So it's not looking too good for UFO gaming. I feel like price is going to drop lower, essentially, because we did have a break of structure, making a new lower low. But it just depends if price is going to liquidate the buyers within this zone. But so far it's just looking bearish, in my opinion. I think this is mainly due to the fact that if we draw Fibonacci from here to the low, price did respect the 0.618 region, and then from here we pretty much made a new low. As well as that, you got to take into the current market conditions of Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin is the leader of all the coins. At the time of recording, you can see Bitcoin is trading around 38.9k. If we drop into the hourly to have a bit more in depth, yeah, you can see here that we did have the distribution schematic, and looks like we're starting to build an accumulation schematic on the hourly. If we drop into the 15-minute, you can see it in more depth. You can see the selling climax, the secondary test in phase B, the spring, and then the retest. But for UFO gaming, we're just gonna have to wait and see, as UFO gaming is looking very bearish at the moment. But there is also a strong demand zone here. We're gonna have to wait and see how price reacts to this. In my opinion, I feel like this will get invalidated, as we did not have a break of structure. But this is just entirely my opinion. I feel like in order for it to be a strong enough demand zone, I would look for a break of structure. But so far we haven't had anything. And initially this was my main demand zone. But looks like price isn't having the type of reaction I would like it to have when it comes to this. And more, it's just pretty much really bearish for UFO gaming. Hopefully the developers can bring out Super Galactic, the game, the dark head, pretty much the whole gaming stuff coming through. Possibly even get more partnerships, more exchange listings when it comes to UFO gaming, because it really is a really good project. But it just seems like the developers are a bit slow. And yeah, we're just gonna have to wait and see how pretty much the market plays out, and if we will target this short term high, and even if we can break through it. But currently it just looks like it's not going to happen. You can just see like break of structure. We're gonna possibly have a reaction up towards this, pretty much this zone onwards, and then we could have another leg towards the downside. And it's just not nothing major, man. People been investing. So I feel sorry for the people who invested up in here, man. It's crazy. It's just really sad. But hopefully them lot took out, or probably took a minor loss. But yeah, pretty much bearish momentum from UFO gaming. It's not looking too good. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. Peace.